Hello, and thanks for joining me for another review. I picked this up on eBay and I wanted to pass it along because I got a really super good deal on it. I'll put the link in the description and hopefully it'll still be on sale. But I picked this up for, I think it was like $12, and I was real surprised because normally anything like this on eBay is usually a counterfeit, but this was the real deal. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's spelled Floureon, Floureon, or something like that. And the model number is D4004. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description and hopefully you'll be able to pick this up too. But this is a battery backup capacity 10,000 milliamp. Like I said, normally when you buy these, if it says anything like 10, 20,000, 30, it's usually just, crap from some knockoff place or something. But this one right here is the real deal. This one has two outputs. Both of them are USB, and it charges through micro USB. The unit comes with just the unit and a charging cable. You can charge this with 5 volts, 1 amp, or if you want to charge it faster, you can charge it with anything higher than that. But let me put that aside. And the secret that this has is, that's mostly the reason I bought it, but this one's also solar. So if you flip it over, unbutton it, and fold it out, you have 4 solar pads. They're real nice and smooth, and they do work. Will this charge the unit? Yes, it will. Will it charge the unit as fast as plugging it into a wall? Absolutely not. This is more or less just for an emergency. I would suggest if you're going to take it anywhere to go ahead and charge it at home, and if you're using it, then as soon as you finish using it, to put it out in the sun and let it top off. But you're looking at probably about 20 hours of direct sunlight to charge this battery to capacity. If you plug it in, you're looking at about 4 hours, and it'll charge up to 10,000 milliamp. I have used it. I charged it fully with my electrical outlet, and I charged my iPhone 10 to complete, and 4 times with this unit. And like I said, it does 5 volt 1 amp and 5 volt 2 amp. They say that it's on the end here, but it says the one does 1 amp and one does 2, but they don't mark the end, so I guess you sort of have to test it and see which one, like plug a iPad or something like that into it and see if it'll work. But I mean, I know it will work, but I just don't know which one is that. But I stuck a meter into it, but it didn't give me any kind of indication of which one it was. But like I said, this is the real deal. It does work, and on the back of it, you have a flashlight. So if you hold that down, the flashlight comes on, and you hold it down again, and then you have the SOS, and you hold it down again, and you have the strobe, and then you hold it down again and it turns it off. This is the power button, and you'll notice on the side, these lights aren't very good at indicating how much you have after it's drained any. When it's full, all the lights are lit up, but as it goes down, the lights are so far in the case that they more or less all show up, but just at, different brightness, and it's not as nice as I would like it to be. But once it's charged fully, it is. It's, you can clearly see all of them are charged. Let's see, what else can I tell you about this? It's, like I said, I've charged my iPhone from dead to full 4 times with this, and I thought that was very impressive just for a 10,000 milliamp battery. When it's charging, it doesn't get very hot, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can lay it in on your car dash or something like that if you want to charge it by the sun. Everything seems ruggedized. It's has a ruggedized back, and you can see that it's charging just off the interior light. And I'm not sure exactly how much you would get from that. Direct sunlight will be the best, but for if you want to just sort of test it, then you can just leave it open while you have your interior lights on and see how long it takes to charge. Like I said, with direct sunlight, you would have to have direct sunlight for at least 20 hours to fully charge this. But if you're out somewhere, you don't have power, you've had a storm, some kind of an emergency, then laying it out will give you at least enough to charge your phone that night, and then next morning you just repeat the process. But anyway, I really want to share this because I thought this was a terrific deal. And like I said, I don't really know how to pronounce it. Floureon, or something like that. But it's the model D4004. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description, and hopefully we'll be able to pick it up for what I did. If you have to pay up to $20, I'd still say grab it because it's a really super deal. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and please share my videos. And hope everyone has a great night. Talk to you later. Bye.